Here we are discussing question number 3 from exercise number 2.2. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of the either of the remaining equal sides? Here triangle is isosceles triangle. What is mean by isosceles triangle? In a triangle, if two sides are equal and another side is totally 3 sides will be there. Out of the 3 sides, 2 sides are in equal length. Such type of triangle is known as isosceles triangle. So base is given. So one base length is given as 4 by 3 centimeter and other 2 sides are not given, but we know very well one side is given, other 2 sides are not given, means those two might be equal sides only. So that only they are asking what is the length of either of the remaining equal side. Totally 3 sides. Out of the 3 sides, one side is given, 2 more sides are equal. That equal sides length only he is asking. So let us draw the rough picture of isosceles triangle. 2 sides AB. Let us say that one side AB, another side AC. These 2 sides are equal and another side is different. 2 sides are equal means such type of triangle is known as isosceles triangle. And what is given? Base is given as 4 by 3 centimeter. So base length, BC length is 4 by 3 centimeter I have taken. And what is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? These equal sides length we don't know. Let us assume that as x only. So one side length, since it is isosceles triangle, if you take one side length as x, another equal side, another one is equal to that only. So that is also x. For example, if it is 6 centimeter, this also will be 6 centimeter. Same way. So if you take x and this length also will be x only. So let the length of either of the remaining equal sides be x centimeter. Next, one more thing is given that 2 sides we assumed it as x only. Equal sides length is x we assumed and base length is given as 4 by 3 centimeter. Given that base of isosceles triangle equal to 4 by 3 centimeter. And one more condition is given. Perimeter of the triangle. Which triangle? This isosceles triangle perimeter is given as 4 2 by 15 centimeter. So I am writing also given that perimeter of triangle is equal to 4 2 by 15. Mixed fraction is given 4 whole 2 by 15 centimeter. Perimeter is nothing but sum of all sides. Here 3 sides length sum. If you do AB plus BC plus CA, this is nothing but perimeter of this triangle. So sum of all sides, here to here x, here to here x, and here to here 4 by 3. Sum means addition. So this length plus this length plus this length. That only we are writing x plus 4 by 3 is equals to. Now mixed fraction we can convert into improper fraction. 15 into 4 plus 2. 15 into 4 plus 2 divided by denominator. What is it? That only you copy. 15 into 4 is 60 plus 2, 62 by 15. So you will get 1x plus 1x is 2x plus 4 by 3 is equal to 62 by 15. Now 2x is equals to plus 4 by 3 is transposed to right hand side. It will become as minus 4 by 3 and 62 by 15 is as usual. First what is there? That one you copy and after that transposing number. Now here if you observe fractions between which symbol is there? Minus symbol is there. So that we can do that LCM of denominators. So here the denominators are 15 and 3. 15 and 3 LCM is 15 only. 15 became as 15. 15 became as 15 means by multiplying with 1. So if you multiply the denominator with 1, so numerator also multiplied with 1. So 62 into 1 is nothing but 62. If it is minus, you write minus. If it is plus, you write plus. But here it is minus, so you write minus only. 3 became as 15. So into 5. Once if it is multiplied with 5, numerator also multiplied with 5. 4 into 5, that is 20. 62 minus 20 is nothing but 42 divided by 15, which is nothing but 2x. 2x is equal to 42 by 15. 2x is nothing but 2 into x is equal to 42 by 15. Now In the previous step 2x equal to 42 by 15 is there, but if you wanted to find x value, this 2 is multiplying, it will comes to the side, it will divide 42 by 15. So you will get this step 42 by 15 divided by 2, transposing 2 to RHS. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. We cannot divide easily one fraction with another fraction, but we can multiply easily. So what we are doing, 42 by 15 as usual, division opposite multiplication. 2 by 1 opposite is 1 by 2. Opposite is nothing but, fraction opposite is nothing but multiplicative inverse. We are not dividing with 2 by 1, but we are multiplying. When we are doing division opposite multiplication, this one opposite is nothing but multiplicative inverse. Numerator will become as denominator, denominator will become as numerator. So 2 by 1 will become as 1 by 2 only. 2 1 time, 2 21 times is 42. 21 into 1 is 21. 15 into 1 is 15. 3 table we can cancel. 3 5 times 15. 3 7 times 21. 7 by 5. Further cancellation is not possible. So x equal to 7 by 5. This is, here numerator is more than the denominator. So it is called as improper fraction. Every improper fraction can be expressed as mixed fraction. So how we can express as mixed fraction? Let me explain here. So when 7 is divided by 5, 7 is divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. This is quotient and this is remainder and this is divisor. This only required for us. Form is quotient remainder by divisor form is the mixed fraction form. Here quotient is 1. So 1. Remainder by divisor. Remainder is 2. Divisor is 5. So 2 by 5. 1, 2 by 5. 1 is whole number part. 2 by 5 is fractional part. So 1, 2 by 5 is centimeter. Whether it is correct or not, checking process. 5 into 1, 5 plus 2, 7 and denominator is 5. So it is correct only. So x in the starting line, x is nothing but we assumed x as, in the starting line, x is nothing but equal sides length. So we can write in the question also they are asking us to find out what is the length of equal sides only. So x value, if you know, length of equal sides is satisfied. So x value is 1 whole 2 by 5 centimeter. Finally you can write the conclusion line. Therefore the length of either of the remaining equal sides is 1 2 by 5 centimeter.